Hi, and welcome to Unlimited3D. In this video, we'll be showing you the complete step-by-step process of setting up a 3D chair configurator. In this case, we already have a ready model that's been set up and published on the platform. Here, you're presented with an iframe code and an API code. Let's first open the HTML document in which we'll be embedding the model. As you can see, it's already prepared with the layout for the 3D configurator. All the elements are ready. We just have to load the model from the platform and enable the configuration with different materials. Let's get back to HTML. As we're making a 3D configurator, we will be using the API code which we have already copied from the platform. The first step is to paste it into the script and the HTML document. Next, we will replace container ID with the ID of the pre-designated div. The model has now been placed, so we can refresh the page and the 3D chair model will show up. Now let's continue by connecting all configuration options with the layout. In order to do that, we need to give the buttons a function by inserting the function for changing materials. Go back to the editor, select the part onto which the materials will be applied, and paste that part name into the HTML. Then, in the library, find the name of the material that needs to be configurable on that part, and then insert its name in the material field. Now we can recheck what's happening on our web page. We can see that the materials we have assigned can now change on this part of the chair. Let's repeat the process by adding 2 more materials, which will be configurable on the same part of the chair. On the same model, other parts may have their own configuration options. Again, find the names of those parts in the editor, insert them in the HTML, and then place the names of the materials assigned to each of them as well. Once we're done, we can do a final check on the web page with the configurator. As you can see, all configuration options are functional. This is all you need to do in order to have a configurable 3D solution. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to having you as a part of our community.